Hi, this is Celeste from the Celeste Report, and today I have a very important question to ask you. Is your DNA being 3D printed right inside of your body? Now, I'm not going to go into all the technical background, although I could, uh, but researchers are basically constructing life or mere life from scratch, the building blocks of quote life. This is a world beyond lineage, which is your biological family. It is a line where that is crossed between you being mankind or life created in the divine image of God and an entity. This is the new human that is managed by the United Nations for justice and environmentalism. So I'm going to ask you again this important question. Is your DNA being 3D printed within your body right this moment? Please leave your comments below.